Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of Y2K. I come to you today in the 1993 Mitsubishi Delica L300 turbo diesel four-wheel drive. We are currently in Rosemary Beach, which is a very, very European-style community here on the Gulf of Mexico in Florida. Look this way, you can see it's just absolutely gorgeous today. I wanted to do this little point of view drive. I'm gonna wind you through some of these little downtown roads and through another, we got to skip across the street, through another place called Alice Beach. And then we're gonna take this thing off-road. I've seen a few videos of them going off-road, but there's a really cool national park here. And we're gonna take it off-road where it's supposed to be. So hope you guys enjoy the ride. I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking today. I just want you to kind of feel what it's really like to drive a Delica. They are not fast, but they are a lot of fun. And it's probably one of the funnest cars I've owned. So I'm excited to share it with you guys. So come along on the ride, and the off-road stuff will be about 2 or 3 minutes after this part. So if that's what you came here to see, please stick around. And I don't know if you can tell already, but a lot of people are looking at this van way more than they will look at the Lamborghini or anything like that. Road sections we have in all of Northwest Florida, but unfortunately the road is divided by a four-way stop, so you can't really get up to too much speed. Not that you would in this Delica, but just in general, it would be nice if it was connected so you could actually have a little bit of fun. front axle like this, it definitely makes things a little more jarring on the bump scale. Kind of feels like the whole suspension just falls out from underneath you sometimes, which is interesting. Guess we can try and put her in four-wheel drive now, and go through right here and see what that does. No issues there. Turn around at some point. All right, do a little U-turn here. Okay, I had to pause the video for a second because it was starting to get stuck. I put it low, and it seems to be okay now. Which is, it was bogging in 4 high, so I'm assuming that the just didn't have enough power to spin the tires for some reason. Good news is 4-wheel drive works, high and low. Once I put it in low, man, it was army crawling over that stuff. I think we can do this in low. Oh yeah, floating right over it. No problem. Wow. Awesome. Back in 2. Really easy. I was a little nervous about that, but it's not even a challenge. All right, we off-roaded the Delica. Took you on a little bit of a scenic drive on the beach side of Rosemary and Alice. If you ever come to 30A, those are great places to go. A lot of good food and stuff like that there. The Delica, as you can see, performed flawlessly. A little bit of dirty tires, but that's fine. Really impressed with how good it did in the soft sand once I put it in 4 low. For some reason in 4 high, it didn't want to go when I was doing a U-turn. Pretty sure it was fully engaged, but I think maybe it was just bogging down or something. But anyways, hope you guys had a fun time watching the video. And be sure to turn on notification bells to all. That way you get all the videos we do. And make sure to subscribe as well. That's important. And give us a thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed the POV today and the Delica. There'll be a lot more videos to come. This is going to be our travel mobile. So we'll see you guys on the next video in about 2 days. Thanks. Bye.